In this video, I'm going to show you how to download images from Google on Android. So first, let's tap on our web browser and then let's go to Google, or you could just search for whatever you want to search. So let's say this one. And then go to images. And then from here, you just tap on whatever image that you want to save. And then long press on that image. And then you tap on download image. And as you can see, it downloads the image. So to go to your image, you could just tap open from the browser, or you could go to your gallery. And then from here, you go to your downloads folder. And as you can see, it's just right here. And that is how you download images from Google on Android. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.